Plovdiv, the second biggest city in Bulgaria and one of the oldest ones in Europe. Today we're going to be doing a do-it-yourself food and drink tour around Plovdiv, and we're going to be showing you some of the best places to grab a drink or some food around town. We did quite a bit of research into where to go, but we're also going to be stopping by some places along the way if they look nice, because the food scene in Plovdiv is incredible. There's so many cute little places everywhere, so I think it's going to be a pretty hard choice to choose where to go, and we're probably going to be quite full by the end of the day. Our first stop is one of the most famous places for breakfast, which is called Tigan. In Bulgarian that means pan, and it's a pancake house, so we're going to have some pancakes. And yeah, good start for the day. We've got a choice of salted, sweet pancakes, waffles, coffees. Pretty big menu.
Very good.
This is so nice.
Very cheesy.
Yes, the mozzarella one is like so nicely melted, and it's like a big cheesy sandwich, but it's a little bit thinner, so it's like such a nice pancake, such a nice concept. And I had savoury pancakes in ages, so this is so nice. I highly recommend it.
This is actually the first time I've ever had a savoury pancake.
Is it?
Yeah. It's got potential.
Our second stop is this little cute cafe literally next to our hotel called Gicana, and it's so nice. I saw it yesterday and I knew we have to come here. And I'm just having some lemonade, and Joe's having a Turkish tea
From a little cup.
And this place is so amazing. They have so many different types of coffee downstairs, and they grind it right in front of you, and they make the Turkish coffee in a traditional Turkish jezve. There's a sitting area upstairs, but you can also sit outside in these little cute benches, which are really interesting. I've never seen anything like this before. It's quite an interesting design of the whole place, and the owner just gave us some sweet pastry to try out. It looks delicious. I think this is Mikita. I'm not too sure. I'm not too into Bulgarian pastries, to be honest. I really have. It's been fried with powdered sugar on top, and it has jam inside, and this is so nice.
Very nice.
For lunch we came to one of the most trendiest restaurants in the whole of Plovdiv in the Kapana district, called Pravash. Looking at the menu, there's loads and loads of options. I got zucchini meatballs with some salad, and Joe got pork schnitzel, quite a big one.
Yeah.
Another thing I actually read is that the restaurant has its own gardens where they grow their vegetables and produce for the salad, so that's quite cool. So everything is kind of homemade specifically for the restaurant. These are really nice. Courgettes, but there's also something yellow. Maybe a bit of pepper. I don't like pepper, but I can't really taste it, so that is nice.
Mine's amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's very nice.
We wanted to order some more traditional dishes for Joe, but unfortunately because it's lunchtime, it's quite early, they were still preparing them, so we couldn't get the traditional ones. So hopefully maybe tonight we're gonna try find something more traditional Bulgarian dishes. But right now we are heading out for dessert, and we don't know where we're going. We might try to get some ice cream. There's so many ice cream places in Plovdiv, so I'm sure we won't be looking for long. For dessert we stopped by this little place called Shakes, and obviously they make shakes and bubble tea as well, so Joe's very excited.
We got some free Oreos thrown in as well. I don't think Mel's going to get any.
I swear I like tea more than English people, so I couldn't pass by a tea house and not get a tea. So we're back at the hotel, and I wanted to give you a quick room tour because it's absolutely amazing. This is the Boom Boom room, which is in 25 Suborna Guest House, and it's made of 99% natural materials, combining traditional Bulgarian style as well as contemporary elements. The best part about this place is that it comes with its own sauna and steam bath in the room overlooking the old town of Plovdiv. 25 Soborna Guest House also has some other room options like the super stylish bedroom and also some more budget-friendly and group-friendly options like the bunk room and the bedbox room. And I can highly recommend it for your trip to Plovdiv. We took a little break from the heat and we hid in our room for a little bit, and now we are heading out. So we're starting with traditional Bulgarian salad, which is shepherd salad, and a beer to go. We're actually quite full, and our second dish is quite big, so we're going to share that as well. But it's one of my favourite dishes, so I'm quite excited to try it again because I've only had it once. So this is a traditional dish from the Rhodope Mountains, and it's called Pancake, and it's basically made of potatoes, eggs and cheese. And that's it. And I've only had it once, about 3 or 4 years ago when I went with my dad to the Rhodope Mountains. When I saw it on the menu, I was like, okay, I need to try this again. So yeah, I'm quite excited to give it a go, and it's massive. We are done with the food for today. We ate way too much. But yeah, we're gonna head to the bars now, so...
Because England won!
Yay! England won! Not that I care, but... This looks magical. It's so bright and so nice. And with this, I'm gonna end this video. I hope you enjoyed all the places I showed you, and I hope you got a little bit of inspiration on where to go when you come into Plovdiv. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.